So you got this awesome cologne that you really like, but the only problem is it doesn't last very long on your skin. So there's nothing to do about that, right? Wrong. Today I'm gonna give you 5 tips on how to make your cologne smell longer than usual. Let's start the video. So the first tip I'm gonna give you is to use a moisturizer before you apply your cologne. If your skin is really dry and you apply cologne with a really high alcohol in it, your skin just soaks up the cologne super quickly and the fragrance or the cologne evaporates really quickly. So it doesn't gonna last that long. So before you apply your cologne, take some body lotion on the area. I usually take some on my neck. I have this one, it's called MINIDERM. This is a Swedish brand, but I'm gonna link different body lotions for all you guys who live in the rest of the world so you can check them out. I just put some really inexpensive but really good body lotions in the description because I know no man wants to put a lot of money in like hand cream and body lotion when you can buy fragrance, right? But these are really good, really long lasting and really got your skin super moist without overdoing it, you know. So I usually take some moisturizer, oh my god, just here on these spots when I know I'm gonna usually apply cologne, except, you know, my hands and my wrist as well, because sometimes I spray some fragrance here or cologne. And I just now, after I took a shower, I'm really dry, and just take some moisturizer on your neck. And then it's going to be like a layer then that the cologne can like land on before it goes on into your skin, you know, so it doesn't evaporate that quickly. So that's the first tip I'm gonna give you guys. My second tip is to apply some cologne on your clothes as well as your body. You know, if you only apply some cologne on your body, it's a big chance that your body gonna soak up this cologne really quickly, especially if you have a dry skin. So if you apply some cologne on your clothes as well, it has an easier time to linger around in the air. But just one tip if you're gonna apply some cologne on your clothes. Watch out for the liquid, the color of the fragrance. So you don't have a crisp white shirt and you have a fragrance that is a little bit brown or red or blue that some fragrances are, then you can get stains on your clothes and it doesn't look that fresh. So be aware if you're gonna apply it on a white crisp shirt that your fragrance is natural and don't have like a specific color in the juice so you don't damage your clothes. My third tip is to bring atomizers with you if you're going in a crowded environment, maybe club, bar or something like that. And my recommendation is to buy these acrylic plastic atomizers. These ones. I bought this on AliExpress a couple of months back. I bought it in 10-pack and they're really durable. I've dropped this many times and it doesn't shatter, it doesn't go to waste the fragrance. So I would really recommend, if you buy this one that I recommend or some other brand, I would really recommend you to stay away from the glass atomizers. Because if you drop a glass atomizer, then it's game over. The whole night is ruined basically and you waste a lot of fragrance. So these are really good atomizer, really good sprayer. I think you should go with a 5 milliliter. I think that's the sweet spot, but you can also buy 2 milliliter and 10 milliliter in this brand that I bought. So that's my next tip for you guys. My fourth tip for today is to be clean when you apply your fragrance. Always take a shower, take some moisturizer on your body before you apply your cologne / fragrance. You know, if you are really dirty, if you haven't taken a shower, it's hard to like hide your bad body odor even with a really good cologne, and especially if the cologne is weak. That's nothing that I would recommend to anyone, to try to hide your bad body odor with a cologne, you know. So if you want your cologne to last long, project good, always be clean, fresh and have a moist skin before you apply the cologne. My fifth and last tip for you guys today is, if you feel like your cologne is really weak and not performing the way you want to, maybe you should just buy a perfume or extract the perfume or perfume oil instead and use that. You know, a cologne usually contains a lot of alcohol. That's why it's really easy for the skin and your body to soak up mostly of the scent really quickly. But if you're gonna use a perfume or perfume extract or some kind, it have a more higher percentage of perfume oils in it, so it's easier to stay on the skin for a longer time. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video today. Take care, see you next time, bye.